Hello everyone, I'm Per from AudioPressBox exhibiting at ISE 2020. Today I'm introducing to you our best-selling product, the APB-224C. It comes with a 2-channel input and for each channel 12 outputs. Each socket is individually transformer isolated and you can possibly switch between mic and line level. It runs with a battery or a power supply, so it's redundant. The battery lasts up to 8 hours. You have a built-in oscillator to check the signal of every attendee, phantom power, a high-pass filter, compressor and limiter, and you can swap the inputs from A, B or A plus B, meaning you can have 2 different languages for each channel, or you can put A plus B, so you will have 1 input and 24 outputs, and you can add a mixing console to it. It also comes in a waterproof nano case, so it's a perfect fit for an outside conference for a political party. Thank you very much for having us.
What's your website?
Our website is audiopressbox.com.